just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message.
In yesterday's Bitcoin update, when we took a look at the 4-hour time frame, we were above this green line. It should have been acting as support, but unfortunately we can see that we fell through it, now staying under it as resistance. As we zoom in, yes, we're under the resistance being the green line, but also the 20 moving average signaling for downtrend continuation. Also the 55 over here, the orange one, and the 69 over there. I'm just going to get rid of that because we don't even need it. We just need the 20 and the 55. And I've got the 200 here. So in yesterday's update, we were saying that if we want to enter a buy trade since this breakout, we need to have our stop loss below this low. So that's, sorry about that, guys. I've got a new dog. So I've got two crazy dogs at the moment now. I have Sushi and I have Ivy. Really sorry about that. But yeah, it's probably going to continue throughout the next videos as well. Apologies. Sorry about that. But yeah, as we need to stay above this low. $22,765. As long as we can stay above this low price, as at the moment this is still higher than that low, we technically do have to start very beginning of an uptrend. We've even put in higher highs. If you want to look at the wicks, the wick is higher, but if you want to look at the bodies, we've got bodies that are higher as well. So although we're under this resistance, I will get rid of it so we can just focus on the moving averages. So we can see that we're under the resistance of the moving averages, or we could draw a horizontal one over here, horizontal resistance, $23,560. If we can climb back above this with 4-hour candle closes, we should head back towards the golden pocket. But with the retest of this golden pocket yesterday, which we mentioned in yesterday's update, what should happen here is a push down, as we've seen, a break of this downtrend. So it looks like we're going into an uptrend, but to the golden pocket, and that's your exhaustion phase before continuation down, going lower and lower. So essentially, if this is our top over here and this is our bottom, just as I place these fibs, I need to put some new ones on, and it's giving us targets to the downside. Now the targets is giving us, we've got some confluence just further confirmation. Guys, I'm making an ebook at the moment. It will only be £15, I think, and it will basically teach you all of the Ivy's here now. It will teach you, sorry Ivy, please be quiet. It will teach you all the chart patterns that you need, all the candlesticks. So it's more about pattern and candlestick recognition, and of course go through all the terminologies. So yeah, it's basically teaching a complete beginner. If you just want to take part in that, it will be on my Buy Me a Coffee. I'm in the process of doing it. You can check my Buy Me a Coffee out in the description and the comment section down below. Make sure you're checking out the link tree as well as the Buy Me a Coffee, because you can just buy the course and the mentorship through my Buy Me a Coffee. If you want to personally message me, then you can message me through my link tree. On my link tree, there's a Twitter and an Instagram to private message me. But heading back to these, our target, our confluence, what is acting as confluence is the 1618 and the 236 sitting as on top of the psychological level. So that's a further confluence basically. So multiple confirmation saying that this here is a key area of support going forward. We have two targets saying, okay, the 236 is here, the 1618 if we lose the one fib level, which is 22,760. If we go ahead and lose that, 22,000 is your target, so $700 lower. Then if of course we fail to reclaim, if we do something like this, flip it into resistance, come down and hit this target, at any point in this green area we can bounce. Now because the 1618 is on the outer layer of this green box, this is going to act as some sort of support. Again, if you lose it, it flips into resistance, and this is your support. Let's just head back to here. Let's head to this step. Now, if we manage to reach the 1618 and push through the golden pocket again, this is beautiful, guys, and then confirm it as support, and we will head back to our range highs towards 24 and 25k. And if we, again, as we are at the moment, we are holding above this golden pocket. We've just prepared. If this low is lost, again, for buy trades, you want stop loss below this. And again, that would signal as long as we're above this, we should continue higher and higher and higher, right? The moment we lose this, that's the invalidation of the buy trade. You could take a sell trade down to here because there's no guarantee we go further. You could bounce and reclaim these levels. Now, if you come back and flip it and just hold it as resistance, that's when we can come down lower and lower. Now, I have mentioned these levels before. We haven't looked at the daily today, so let's go on the daily right now. No, just before the daily, let me get rid of these fib targets to the downside, because there's just a bit too much going on right now. Let's get rid. So yeah, going now over to the daily time frame. Oh, both dogs are going crazy. Running up and down the stairs. But yeah, so we created the reversal wave, and all we were doing was resetting the market. So this is what we were saying back up here. We need to come down, reset the market. You can afford to come lower towards the 55 over here at 22,200, as well as here 21,700. The chart is basically telling us you're allowed to come down here, guys, and we're still going up. Because the last time we came to this white line, we reset the market. Things got a bit overextended. We had a nasty dump, just like this. But you just came and reset the market. Here you haven't even dumped to the 200. So it's saying there is still room to head down. This just could be an A, B, C. This is why I've shown you today's targets down to 22,000. But again, we just must remain above that zero fib level, $21,300. As long as we can do so, as long as we remain above that wick low over there, then we should be breaking our high of 25k and heading towards 27, 28, 29 and $30,000. That is pretty much it from me. Again, if you want to take action, I'm going to put a video at the end of this, a little clip at the end of this, about a minute long, going through the process of how you can take action. We had two people join the chat in the last 3 days through the course, so welcome to the chat to those people. Also check out my new channel memberships on YouTube. I made it a lot easier. There's just one level. If you want to support me as a creator and also get the videos out much earlier, then go ahead and join the YouTube channel memberships. Thank you guys so much for joining today. Please do like, subscribe and comment. It's so annoying. That's the dogs fighting now, but they're calm, don't worry. So
I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.